This question is asked me in Wissen interview R2 line, and this question is something like find the frequent user so within 60 seconds based on actions. So problem statement they given me like you are given a list of users activity. Each login entry contained user ID, timestamp, action. So U1 timestamp in second, and action will be any like login, purchase or order or something, any action they will user is doing. So they give me that, and user is considered frequent if they perform the same action within 60 seconds of their previous action. So we need to find like we need to write the program to uh, find and print the user ID who are frequent user, ignoring the action name, and count only return user ID. So this is our question, and let me move to inputs. uh, these are our inputs. So U1 is user ID, timestamp we have given, and login. And suppose one user logged in and 100 seconds he log in, and after that U2 is logged in at 105 login, and after that U1 again login at 120. So difference between 120 and 100 is around 20 seconds suppose. So if the difference is less than uh, 60, then it's a frequent user. So one here like the U1 is fine, we found that is frequent user. Okay, and again like U1 doing the login, and again so at 170 he again doing the same thing. So it's the around 50 is less than 60 seconds, then it's again a frequent user. And after that user is doing at 200 purchase option and operation, and again U2 is coming. So U2 is something less doing the activity, but U1 is doing frequent. So we will show the output we needed like U1 is doing something like that. So this is our question. Let me move to the solution. So here I show them like first we will import that util class. Okay, util package, and after that I created one Pojo class user action where we have user ID, timestamp and action, and I have provided one constructor, and I have provided getters. So here we are setting, and here we are returning that value. Okay, so as I used like in the main method, I directly pass this uh, pass these values. Okay, I added in that list user action list. Okay, so whatever they provide me the input I provided here, and I called one static function find frequent user with 60 seconds, and we are passing that list in the form of logs named as logged. Okay, so in that find first we will map that action map user ID. uh, so it is something like we will say like login, and it will u1 comma like it's for one time it is repeating. Okay, so something like that we are maintaining one action map. Okay, so moving to one another map we are creating for last action time. So we are using this one, and we will iterate through our logs whatever the user action is coming. So we will use as a key. Okay, so in that we will get the actions. Okay, so action is something like key will be like login, uh, login u1. Okay, so whatever the key will it will come, we will check the last action time and contains that key. is it a contains key, then it will come to into last time. Okay, so we will check like that. And whenever we found like here we are checking whenever the last logged timestamp, suppose it's 120 and it's something minus 100, then it is equals to 20, which is less than equals to 60. So we will go inside that inside if condition, and whatever the action map we have here, so we will compute that, we will compute different absent. So we will check like, so whatever the action it is presented. Okay, so we will create one has map. Okay, here, and after that we will merge our user id, and this is for increment. So whatever the frequency will be here, so we will increase the count. Okay, so after that we will add, we are updating last scene time, last action time dot put the whatever the key is here. So it is something like our login underscore given, and whatever the timestamp, so whatever 120 or something. Okay, so after that we are like collecting that whatever the data it is. So in that frequency set we are collecting, okay, the action map data. So for that we are iterating, and in the map we have user count map and action map dot values, so whatever the values are given, and we are storing in that frequent user set, and that we are printing here. Okay, so output will be like this. Okay, let me rerun it. See the output. So this is our code. If you want to take a snap, I will wait. So this is very important question they ask me, and mostly I have done that, and I printed that output. So this is the question, and if you want more anything other question, put add a comment in that video, so I will get reply. Okay, thank you guys, bye.